care of teeth. Children, in your last class, you have already discussed about the types of teeth. Yes or no? Parts of a teeth. Now we are going to discuss about why the care of teeth is important. Children, it's very important to take care of your teeth because firstly, permanent teeth are irreplaceable. Okay, once they will get decay or if they fall down due to any problem, they will not come again. So it's very important that you should take care of your teeth. Secondly, whenever we eat food, so the particles of food or the food pieces get stuck in between our teeth. Yes, and germs and bacteria. If you are not cleaning them, germs and bacteria will grow over there. Will grow over there, making a hole in the teeth. And what do we call that? That is known as a cavity. Then you go to doctor, then it is very painful and you feel many problems. So in order to avoid that pain and in order to avoid the decay of the teeth, you should be taking care of teeth. Apart from cavity, one more thing happens when we do not take care of our teeth or when we do not brush our teeth regularly. The food particles which remains or which stuck in between our teeth, it makes a layer over our teeth if they are not cleaned regularly, and that layer, that yellowish layer, is known as plaque. You might have observed in some people they have yellowish teeth, yes, because they do not clean their teeth regularly. So it happens because of a deposition of a layer of the, we can say, germs, or we can say the food which remains over there, and we call it as a plaque. So that's why brushing your teeth with a proper toothpaste and a proper toothbrush is very important. So today we are going to discuss some ways to protect your teeth. So let us start. First thing, and the very important thing is that you have to brush your teeth. But how many times? It is advised that you should brush twice a day. Once in the morning when you get up, okay, before coming to school, okay, and secondly before going to the bed. So 2 times a day brushing is required. This will clean your teeth. Secondly is not only teeth. Whenever we eat food, some things, particles, food particles stick on our tongue also. So along with brushing, it is very important that you clean your tongue also. And what do we use to clean our tongue? Our tongue cleaner. Okay? It is available in the market. And nowadays brushes also have, at the back of the brushes you find a rough surface that also acts as a tongue cleaner. So brush your teeth twice a day and along with that use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. Third thing is rinse your mouth well after meals. Whenever you are eating food, okay, whenever you are taking your lunch, dinner, breakfast, after every meal you have to rinse your mouth properly with water so that whatever food particles are left in your spaces between the teeth, they get clean, they get washed up. Many a time we eat something that remains in our teeth. There is space between our teeth. So in order to remove them, in order to clean them, you need to rinse your mouth well after meals. And nowadays, a lot of gels and liquids are available in the markets. Yes or no? Acting like mouthwash. Yes, acting as, which are known as mouthwash, and they are used for rinsing your mouth. The next topic or the next point is that you have to eat food which are healthy for your teeth. You have to include food items like milk you have to drink. Yes or no? Because it has a lot of calcium. We will be discussing this point after some time. So you have to eat food items which are good for your teeth, which makes your teeth stronger. Okay? Then is you avoid eating too many sweets, sugary items. Why? Because they causes a decay in the teeth. Okay? So do not keep on eating your chocolates, toffees. You people are very fond of eating them. So you can eat, but be sure that you brush your teeth after it, rinse your mouth after it, and avoid eating too many of them. Hey, it's a quiz time. So, are you all ready to play the quiz with me? Yes, I know you are. So, let's play a quiz on the topic teeth. But before starting, let me tell you that this quiz contains 10 questions and each question carries 1 mark. For every right your answer, you have to give yourself +1, and for every wrong answer, you have to give yourself a 0. So, let's start the quiz. And here comes the first question. How many total milk teeth are there? And the options are A 10, B 20, C 30, and D 32. So, come on, children, mark your answer. I know you know the answer. So, I hope you might have marked the answer. So, let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. Which teeth are used for cutting and biting food like scissor? And the options are A. Incisors, B. Canines, C. Premolars, and D. Molars. Yes. So, come on, mark your answer, children. So, if you have marked the answer, let's move on to our third question. Which teeth are most developed in flesh-eating animals? And here comes your option. A. Canines, B. Incisors, C. Premolars, and D. Molars. So, I know you know the answer. We have done this already. So, mark your answer and let's move on to the fourth question. Which mineral is required to make teeth strong? A. Iodine, B. Calcium, C. Iron, and D. Phosphorus. Oh, it's an easy one, right? So come on, mark your answer. So I hope you have done. Let's move on to our fifth question. The white part on the outside of a tooth is called. Options are A. Enamel, B. Dentine, C. Pulp, and D. Nerves. Come on, children. Select your answer. So, if you have selected, let's move on to our next question. Here comes question number 6. Which of these holds the teeth in place? Option are A. Canine, B. Gums, C. Tongue, and D. Nerves. So, what is your right answer, children? So, lock your answer. And here comes the seventh question. A sticky yellow layer of germs on teeth is called. First option is cavity, second enamel, third plaque, and last none of the above. Yes, children, you can mark the right answer. Note down your answer in your copy. Yes, I hope everyone has done so. So, let's move on to the eighth question. Which teeth are 12 in number and helps in grinding food? I repeat, which teeth are 12 in number and helps in grinding food? So the options are A. Incisors, B. Canines, C. Premolars, and D. Molars. So children, you have to select your answer. So I hope you all have marked your answer. And now comes your ninth question. It forms the central part of the tooth. And the options are A. Dentine, B. Root, C. Pulp, and D. Nerves. Oh, it's a very simple question. I hope everybody of you know the right answer. So come on, mark your right answer. And here comes the last question of the quiz. How many times in a day you should brush your teeth? Oh, such a easy one. Yes, so the options are A once, B twice, C thrice, and D 4 times. So come on, lock your answer, everyone. Oh, here comes the end of the quiz. So now let's check the answers. So these are the right answer, children. First right answer is 20, second right answer is incisors, third right answer canine, fourth right answer is calcium, fifth right answer is enamel, sixth right answer is gums, seventh right answer is plaque, eighth right answer is molars, ninth right answer is pulp, and tenth right answer is twice. So come on, tell me how much you have scored in the quiz. And did you enjoy playing the quiz? So don't forget to share your scores in the comment section of the video. So I hope you might have enjoyed the quiz. Okay, children. Bye, take care, and enjoy learning.